Have you ever wondered how good or not good a manufacturer's navigation system is? I mean, is it as good as Google or Apple Maps? Well, we've decided to find out because over the last several years, we've done the SNARFs test, where we've taken one of our test vehicles and asked it to navigate to SNARFs, a local sandwich shop. In this video, we're going to give you the best, well, there are not a lot of them, and certainly the worst results. So sit back and buckle up as we try to head to lunch at SNARFs.
Okay, you know what else is good at the end of the day?
A sandwich?
Big fat sandwich. Big sandwich.
Let's do our SNARFs test.
SNARFs test.
Find SNARFs.
Try it again, I'll do it.
Searching for POI in Colorado.
Well?
Select a POI in the list.
See the list.
Yeah, I don't see a list there.
Where's the list?
What'd you do?
I'm confused.
You broke it.
Did I break it?
Yeah.
Say a line number or say a
There's no
dot,
line.
not in
This is
list,
a new one,
or
isn't it?
POI along the route.
Wait, on the map. Cancel. I'm gonna call this a not pass. Okay, now you're just making fingerprints.
No, I'm just trying to help. That's me
Say a line
helping.
number
Oh gosh,
or say a
cancel.
dot,
Cancel,
Cancel.
sweetie. Gently falling the
Cancel. Oh, this.
Zajin.
Did that cancel it? That canceled.
Yeah, I said goodbye
Okay,
in
we're done.
Chinese.
Okay, right. That'll do it. Yeah.
All right, Tommy, while we're kind of stuck in traffic, shall we do the SNARFs test?
Yeah, let's see.
The voice command. Okay, I'm gonna hit the button.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and saying a command immediately. After the beep, say a command.
Navigate to SNARFs sandwiches. Nope, that did not work.
No, it says no phone is paired to the system.
Try again.
I'll try it again.
I got an idea.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and
Navigation.
say a command.
Find SNARFs sandwiches.
Nope.
Find SNARFs sandwiches.
It's not working.
Navigate to SNARFs. Take me to SNARFs. I'm hungry, I want a SNARF.
To start voice recognition,
Oh boy.
push and release the talk switch.
Didn't we do that already?
I just did, I'll do it again.
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command immediately
Navigation.
by pushing the talk switch.
Navigation.
Navigation.
All right.
Please say or select a navigation command from the displayed list.
Navigate to SNARFs.
Please say again.
Oh no.
Navigate to SNARFs.
Please say again.
It wants us to say one of
Pick
these
from the
things.
list. Yeah.
Points of interest.
Points of interest.
Pausing voice recognition.
Oh, boy.
Push the talk
gosh.
switch to continue.
Guys, we are so far from Alexa and Siri there that it's not even funny, right?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, eventually you can navigate around most cars, but you have to understand the idiosyncratic way it's set up.
Navigate to SNARFs. Hello? Anybody there? Navigate to SNARFs.
She's just ignoring you.
She is.
Sorry, I didn't understand you.
It says no. You gotta find address.
Find address. I'm yelling like an old man.
Because that makes it hear better.
Yeah, especially with cell phones back in the day. Roman still yells on cell
I
phones.
still didn't understand you.
We will never get to SNARFs, will we?
Never. So press the little voice control button.
Here we go.
Get us directions to SNARFs sandwiches.
You've got a few choices here. Pick the one you want.
Okay, let's see the choices. Where are my choices?
I don't see the choices.
How come this never works?
Look on your phone. Did it give you choices on your
No,
phone?
it didn't give me. No.
Okay.
The idea is that you do it through here.
Oh. Here, let me try it. Take me to Snarf's Sandwiches.
There are a few choices. Pick the one you want.
Show us the ones.
I wonder what maybe it's Chase Younggreen?
No, that's my texts.
Oh,
Not
these
a
are
touchscreen
so folks, this is some friends of his.
Oh boy. I do have friends, believe it or not. Find people of the internet. Directions.
All right.
Well, okay, I'm going to call that a failure because it didn't really work, did it?
And I thought it would tie in, but...
And that's even with Android Auto, which
Yep.
usually works really well.
Here we go.
Please say or select a command.
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say or select a command from the displayed list.
Navigate to Snarfs.
Please wait. Points of interest. Showing matching
Wow.
places. Please
Dude.
say or select an item number from the displayed list.
Number 2.
2. Navigate to Snarfs. Please say or select an item number from the displayed list.
GM is doing something interesting. They are offering, you can actually buy a full navigation system, but this particular model doesn't have it. What it does have is a little navigation icon with an OnStar advisor. So you can actually call OnStar, which I'm doing right now, and you can ask them for directions. Hi, we're looking to get we want to get navigation help.
Okay, can I have your address, please?
The name of the business is Snarf's Sandwich Shop.
Did you say sandwich shop?
Snarfs, yes.
Could you spell that for me, please?
SNARFS.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's in Boulder, Colorado.
Yeah, I have 2 in Boulder.
On Lookout Road.
Okay. So I'll send that out to you now. It's up there.
Thank you, that's it.
Okay.
So the reason why I didn't use the voice activated system,
Snarf Sandwiches, 6560.
the reason why I didn't use voice activation is because there's no full navigation system.
Hit it.
Let me we'll finish turning and then I'll press.
Hit it. No patience.
Please say a command.
Find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Snarf's Sandwiches.
Please say a line number.
Number 1.
When ready, press the voice button and
Wow.
then say set as destination.
Look at that.
That is
Cancel.
impressive.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and saying a command.
Navigation.
After the beep, say a command.
Place name.
After the beep, say a command.
Restaurant.
After the beep, say a command.
Snarfs.
Snarf.
Wow, 2 for 2.
And she said the name.
She said it.
Wow.
Holy moly.
Maybe it's something about Roman that makes things... I don't know. I guess not.
It found 6 of them.
That's all of them.
Cancel.
Yeah, hit the hang up button or something like that.
Pardon?
Maybe hit the other button.
Cancel. Here, we'll hit back. Back doesn't do anything. Cancel.
Cancel. Cancel.
After the
Cancel.
beep,
Cancel.
say a command.
Oh,
Cancel.
that's not doing as much as I was hoping it would.
Nope.
We'll give it a pass. Pass on the Snarfs test.
All right, so this one, I hit the prompt here.
Say Say a navigation command.
Find place.
Say a place.
Snarfs sandwiches.
Searching for Snarf sandwiches.
Oh.
Could be good.
Select an item.
Number one.
Wow.
3 for 3.
I would say that's just as fast as the Fords.
That might have, yeah, just as quick, if not, you know.
They were really close.
I couldn't tell you the timing. To
No,
be
but
exact,
the bottom line is that that's a really good system. That did it in no time at all.
That was really, really quick, actually.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
I am impressed.
All right, shall we try the Snarfs test?
Yep, try the Snarfs
Oh,
test.
here we go.
Here we go. Let's see if we can find the Snarfs test. All right. Find Snarfs.
Searching for Snarfs nearby. Please choose a line number or provide additional search terms.
That's freaking awesome.
It found it. Look at that. Snarf
And
sandwiches.
you were deliberately vague, because you always are, and it knew immediately what you were talking about.
Yeah, yeah.
It knew immediately. It must be that kind of dramatic thing of your Eastern European lineage that helped. But the point is that is one of the best setups I've seen for finding something so vague. I mean, Tommy, he didn't even say navigation or anything else.
No,
he just went
said
right to his find Snarfs.
Yeah, you know, unlike, let's say, Mercedes, Audi doesn't have kind of the Siri model where this is connected to the internet. It's not always listening to you. So MBUX, which is new Mercedes system, basically always listens to you. And when you say, hey, Mercedes, it answers and then uses the cloud to answer your questions. Here, this is a more traditional method where you push the button, but it works. You know, they say it's much more intuitive, much more natural. We've heard that so many times, but this time we can actually say it worked. This is the point where we try the infotainment, the talking button. See, make it talk. See if it can navigate us to Snarfs, our favorite.
But I have a Russian accent.
I'll try it.
No, let me try.
All right, try it.
Actually,
Try it.
let's see if it does have the Russian accent detection.
Well, you better hurry up because we're going to get to the rough road very soon.
Okay. Come on.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say a command.
Take me to Snarf's sandwich shop.
I didn't get that. Please say, find an address, find an intersection, or find a POI.
See, you can't just say like...
It's not natural speech.
Yeah, it's not natural speech. You have to follow their prompts. And once again, you just can't say, like, Siri, find me Snarfs, right? Or Alexa, find me Snarfs. What you have to do is navigate through this, and it's, you can't go back to that kind of very unintuitive
step-based.
All right, let's see if we can find Snarfs. Here we go.
Yeah. Navigation.
Navigation.
I need
Try again.
I need directions to Snarfs.
Which POI would you like?
I need directions to Snarfs.
Navigate to this point of interest?
No. It's trying to take me to Starbucks.
Yeah, it didn't understand that we wanted to go to Snarfs and not Starbucks. So apparently to the Tundra, Snarfs and Starbucks sound very similar. I guess they both do start with an S. All right, now we come up to the part of our test loop where we try to find lunch. Where are we going, Andre? Snarfs?
We're going to Snarf's sandwich shop.
All right, let's see if this truck can find it.
Okay. Take me to Snarf's.
I'm sorry, I cannot find any matching POIs near your current position.
Nathan, you try it.
Hold on.
Hit the button. Navigation.
Navigation.
POI.
Radio help. You can interrupt
No, I said POI. I was trying to be right.
by pressing the voice button on
The point is,
We're never going to get Snarfs. Every time we do this review, we try to go to Snarfs and we have yet to find... Can you shut that thing up? Shut up! Good God.
The point we usually reach each time we've done this is the system does not match an iPhone, a smartphone. for
It's
location.
not natural speech in
No.
any of the trucks we've
No,
tested.
no, not at all.
Hey, try the voice activation. We've been trying it in all these videos and it's never worked. So let's see if it works.
Okay.
This time, give it a shot. Let's try the GM system.
What would you like?
Navigation.
Before we go on, please say address, place of interest, intersection, or contact.
Once
Place
again,
of interest.
yeah, Snarfs. I want to go to Snarfs.
If you are looking for a place near your current location, please tell me the name. Otherwise, say change location.
Snarfs.
I've missed part of your request. Please wait for the prompt to end before you speak.
Snarfs.
If you are looking for a place near your current
I give up.
location.
So that's the current. It's the same.
Same problem, right? It's nowhere near as good as Alexa or Siri. You can't just do regular voice recognition. You have to follow a series
the
of
prompts.
mirrors. And then I picked Snarfs because it's not only a good sandwich place, but it's hard to say and it's hard to understand, right? And obviously this truck fails that test. So far, none of our vehicles have actually passed the test. And I think that's what makes like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or Alexa so much better, right? Because they can understand what you're saying.
Which you could actually connect.
Yeah.
In this case, you can actually connect Apple CarPlay here.
Yeah, and you know, pretty soon you're going to have Alexa in all these cars as well, so you could do things like have Alexa or Siri open your garage door, find you Snarfs, find you the
Order a
nearest
book
gas
or
station.
something.
Yeah, order a book. All right. So I'm feeling a little hungry, dude. Should we go to Snarfs?
Okay, let's try the nav system.
Yeah, let's see if we can get the Snarfs. Does it even have a voice activated?
Well, let's see.
Please say a category like phone or a command like points of interest, followed by a brand name.
Points of
Navigate to Snarfs.
Please wait.
Ooh, it's thinking.
Points of interest. Showing matching names. Please say a number from the displayed list.
I don't think Snarfs is a point of interest, Andre.
Well, it's
Please
point
say
of
a
my
number from the
interest.
displayed list. Additional commands are.
But this is actually
help,
interesting.
list commands. What
It
can I
knew
say?
that you were
General
hungry,
help.
I think.
Go back, quit, or exit.
Well, it said Huck's Food Store, Coast, and what classic?
I don't know what
Say a
class.
number from the displayed list. Additional commands
Cancel.
are help,
Cancel.
list commands. What can I say?
Go
General
back.
help. Go back, quit,
Cancel.
or exit.
Exit. Exit. Exit. Exit.
The name for the points of interest was not recognized. Please say a brand name.
Can you
Go back. Please say a category like phone or a command like points of interest. Canceling voice recognition.
Okay,
Wow.
we're done.
After rewatching this video, I have to admit that you're probably better off with Google or Apple Maps. Best of all, it doesn't cost any more money, and it works. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fastlane Car and Truck. Check out TFL Truck and TFLCar.com for more news, views, and of course, real-world Snarfs lunch reviews. See you guys later. Ciao.